cleaned by my own. Akin na. Ba't kasi? Ba't mo kasi binuksan?
Binuksan.
You can teach him English. He knows. He knows how to speak English. Yeah. Na kasi ganyan. Ano yung may gano ko ba yung manja man timo mo gas nabad man. Si Ate Iya, baka kung kuha mo yun naman. Wala. Pag yung ihalo, what last? He just only grade 1. Grade 1. Yung bilis ko lang mag-clean. He is grade 1. I don't have brush. I don't have brush. Just use my how much members your YouTube channel? I don't have members. I don't have members here in my YouTube. But that is okay. No problem. It's no problem. Let's try this. I don't have members.
Ma, what's this next?
Di ko yung ano.
10.
Di tayo pinaelectric pan na yung... Ito ka na yung pati mo electric pan yung... Pati mo electric pan kayo hangin to. Sige na eh.
Sige.
Wait lang ah. Wait lang.
Ma, kulang blue. Kulang blue.
Sige lang.
Kulang blue.
Init ito. Does he understand math? Anito? Are you busy right now? You know what I'm doing? You see what I'm doing right now? Hindi ko makano.